Good morning, students. Welcome to the virtual class of Bharat Education Society's Kartika High School and Junior College, Kurla West. For the lesson number 8, Understanding Formulas and Functions, Part 2. For Standard 6, Subject Computer. Myself, Mr. Vijay Nikam, your computer teacher. But before going further, students, let's see what we learned in the last part. We learned in the last part what is formula, what are functions, functions like sum, auto sum, sum if with examples. Okay students, let's begin with the count function. Function count. To count the number of cells that contain numbers, use count function. This is the count function format. Is equal to count cell range. Cell range is an argument. Example is equal to count. This is the cell range, students, A2 colon A4. In the below example, this one is the below example we have. In below example, the result is 15. Only 15 number of cells contain numbers as given in the figure. Students, let us execute and demonstrate the same example. Let's see the count function in demonstration. Here we are going to count the number of cells which contain numbers. Just write count function here and the actual formula will enter in exact opposite cell. Enter the actual formula is equal to count open bracket, and in the open bracket here we are giving an argument. Select the cell range from B2 to F4 and close the bracket and press enter. See, the answer is 15. Answer is 15 means the count function calculated the number of cells which contain numbers. Here in this example we have selected the range from B2 to F4. All cell contain number. So there are 15 cells and our answer is also 15. Let's see countif function. Countif function works on certain condition. To count the number of cells based on one condition, use the countif function. This is the countif function format. Is equal to countif. The first argument is cell range, comma, the another argument is condition. See, the actual example is equal to countif B2 colon F4. A cell range, comma, greater than 60 is a condition. In the below example, result is 14, 14. As only 14 cells contain number greater than 60 as given in the figure alongside. Students, let's see the same example in live demonstration. Students, let's see the count if function in the same example. Here I write count if. In the same example we are going to execute the countif function as we did earlier, exactly in the opposite cell. Here in this cell we'll type the countif function is equal to count if open bracket, select the range of cells. I am selecting here B2 to F4, comma, will put condition, open double quotes, condition is greater than 60, complete double colon, close round bracket, and press enter. Let's see here, the result is 11, means 11 cells contain values greater than 60. Next function is average function. Let's see how average function works. This function gives you the average of numbers. Average of numbers. The format is equal to average, starting cell colon ending cell. This is nothing but our cell range. We'll type the formula as given in the picture below and press enter. This is the formula. So we'll see the same example like others in live demonstration. Let's see the average function in the same previous example. Next to the total CL, here I type average. Below to that, I enter the average function is equal to average open bracket. In the open bracket, give the cell range. Our cell range is B2 to F2. So type the cell range B2 colon F2. The cell range is marked. You can see the blue rectangle which marked the cell range. Close the bracket and press enter. This is what the average for student Rajesh. For next Suruchi and Gopal, if you want to calculate the same average for next students, just drag this pin handle over the next students. Left click over this pin handle. I have selected, left click, hold the left click and drag it to the next cells. Now let's see max function. Max function for finding out the maximum number from the list. This function picks out and displays the greatest value from a set of values. Format is equal to max, starting cell colon ending cell, a cell range. Type and execute the same formula as given in the example. Let's see the same example in demonstration. Let's see the max function in the same example. Next to average, here I type max for maximum, and below to the cell, in the next cell I type max function is equal to max, max, open bracket. In the open bracket, give the cell range. Our cell range is B2 colon F2. The required cell range is selected, you can see here, and press enter. See, from the cell range we have selected here, the maximum value is 78. So this max function has found the maximum value 78. For the next cell, for the next students, just double click or drag on this pin handle and just double clicking on it. See the maximum numbers for next students, maximum marks scored for next student Suruchi and Gopal is 85. Now let's see minimum function MIN. Function MIN for finding out the minimum value from the given cell. This function picks out and displays the least value, minimum value least value from a set of values. See, the format is same like other functions. Is equal to main starting cell colon ending cell range. Type the same formula as given in the H2 cell as given in the below example. We'll execute the same example in demonstration. Let's see the minimum function in the same example here. Next to the max, here I type min for minimum, min, and below to it, the below cell I type function minimum is equal to min, open bracket, give the same cell range b2 colon f4, sorry, b2 colon f2. Cell range is selected, close the bracket and press enter. The function has found the minimum value 56 for student Rajesh. Minimum marks 56 for student Rajesh. Double click on the pin handle for getting minimum marks for next students Suruchi and Gopal. Just double click on the pin handle. See, for Suruchi the minimum mark is 53 and for Gopal minimum marks is 65. That's all for this session, students. We will meet in the next session soon. Till then, goodbye. See you. Thank you.